Savar's Toy View. Welcome to Savar's Toy View, and today I will play with is Galaxy Egg Star Slime, and that is an awesome slime. And don't forget to check it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up and share your love. See? Is this so awesome? Oh, now let's open it.
Let's show the colors. Which ones?
Oh, this is blue, this is purple, this is yellow, and this is pink. And these two are blue too. Or purple too. Now I'll open the blue.
Which color you want to open first? You are so excited to play with slime, huh?
Blue.
Okay.
Whoa! Let me take it out.
If you want it.
Oh, it's so jelly. Oh, my hands. Ah. It's like my second time playing with slime.
Yeah.
I never played with slime before.
You were playing second time, so you played one time before.
Yeah.
So that's how you came on a second time, okay?
Yeah, I love slime. What is this stuff? Oh, what? Let's take it out.
Wow. See those star thing? What is those things inside, huh?
Oh, those are just to make it pretty.
Make it pretty? Okay.
There's so more slime in here. Oh, it feels so soft. Yeah, it feels so good. Yeah. Let me take it out. Oh! At least sticks to it. I mean, it's sticky. I can't take it off my hand. Yeah, there. I'm gonna poke it.
Okay.
First I'm gonna poke it. It actually makes a little bit of noise. Well, actually, okay, now I'm gonna stretch it. I'm gonna stretch it more.
Oh. Oh. But that's cool stretch.
Yeah, let me. Oh. Oh, so. Let me put this right here. Whoa. I'll give this a 10 out of a 10.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's so cool. Ooh. Wow. Oh, looks like a necklace on you, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh my God! It's so long. Oh.
Now I'm gonna open another one.
Okay.
This one.
You wanna make a twist on this one or?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it over my head.
Okay. Oh wow!
Hey.
Ooh.
Okay. Now let's put it right here.
Okay.
Or do you want to put it right here or here? Oh, let me twist it again. And there.
Ooh.
Pew, pew, pew.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
This is for store for girls. Except it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
That how cool that's to make them nicer, huh? Those like little things on it. Yeah. Now let me see those. Oh, hold up. Oh wow, that's cool, huh?
Let me show you for you. Here. See?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Here. Whoa! It's actually feels good. Now I'm gonna poke it.
Okay.
It actually makes a little bit of noise. Look. I'm actually gonna do something.
Oh, wow. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Oh.
You could actually make a bubble with this.
Ooh. Ooh.
I can see.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let me stretch it.
Oh wow. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. You keep stretching, huh? Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Oh. Your arms, you like strengthful with your arms, huh? But
yeah. Oh.
Oh my God, it's so cool, huh?
It's actually oh now. Okay, let's put this right here and let's.
Wow.
Oh, feels so good.
You try to eat, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, did I do this one?
You did poke on this, huh? Oh, it's so noisy, huh? Even I can hear noise here too.
Yeah, okay, that will make something.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh, 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 oh. You want to make necklace? Big necklace on you? Let's see. I can make big necklace on you.
No, it's gonna break. It's gonna break.
Oh.
It's actually broke. Let me try it again. I'm gonna do something. It's like this.
Oh, you try to flip over, huh?
Yeah.
But it keeps flipping over, huh? No. Oh. Oh, wow. How it sounds, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, I'm glad you catch.
Look here. Look at this. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna stretch it.
Okay.
Let's see how much I can stretch it.
Okay. Oh, I think you're gonna stretch a lot. Yeah, you open with your full arms, but it still keeps stretching. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you're making your big necklace, huh?
It's coming to my chin.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh. Is this so?
Ooh.
Oh, look at this, guys. Now I'm twisting.
Okay.
Let me do this. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, now let's play with the purple. I actually want to make some.
You want to make twist and see if it's making more noise or something? Oh, yeah, I hear here too. It's. Oh.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, now let's put it right here. Now I'm gonna get the purple.
Okay.
Which purple? I think I'm gonna get this one.
You wanna be
Put these?
Yeah.
These
Just
away?
put yeah.
Oh.
Just make these away.
Whoa! The pink. Actually, it just rolls.
Yeah. You can roll off the purple work.
And it all came out. Oh, this is an egg.
Yeah.
And I burned on my pan. Oh, excuse me. What? Oh, this is slime. Oh, slime. It doesn't make any noise because it doesn't have this stuff.
No, this does make noise too. Look at it.
When I shake it makes a little noise. Look, I'm actually. Now I'm actually make it. Now I'm actually gonna. This way. Okay, look. Okay, now I'm gonna stretch it. Whoa, boop.
Oh.
And now I'm gonna stretch it again. Whoa.
It's still, yeah.
Yeah, broke. Now do this.
Okay.
Now mix it all up.
Okay.
Open the.
It looks like a second Easter egg, huh?
Yeah. What more? Whoa! Look at this. Okay, now this.
Oh! You mix all of them, huh? Ooh. Oh, you need more help to pull, huh?
Dad?
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. You can stretch more, but you can't. You're full of stretch actually.
I can't! This is actually so much slime!
Oh my god.
Oh, it feels so good. This is so much slime, you guys.
Okay, let's see how far how we can stretch up now, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna stretch and I'll help you to stretch up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Is that gonna help me?
I'll give you hands to stretch up, yeah.
Okay, can you help me?
Okay, yeah, you can keep stretching right now.
No!
Okay. Okay.
Oh! It's all the way to the wall!
Oh my god!
And now let's put it back.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks, that's slime.
Yeah.
This is actually the second time.
Yeah.
Oh, my dad never touched the slime before.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so much! Oh!
It's so cool, huh? So soft, huh?
Oh, hell. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna roll it around my hand. I think this is actually gonna help.
You just roll around all, yeah.
Oh!
It covers your whole hand, huh? Oh, because, oh my god.
Hey!
Oh, oh, where's your hand? Oh my god.
Buckaboo! Now I'm gonna do it again. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Hey, where's my hand?
Oh my god, where's your hand, huh? What happened?
Oh, I broke it, I think.